Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Here your art teacher Kiran Raje is back with new art. Oh, you can see here one painting. So do you know which type of painting is this? This is a Kalamkari painting. Kalamkari is one of the most traditional art of India. So first I'll tell you what's the meaning of Kalamkari. Do you know the meaning of Kalamkari? Okay, so I'll tell you. Kalam is a Hindi word that means pen and Kari refers to craftsmanship. So it's used, we can say pen art also. Kalamkari is an ancient style of hand printing done on cloth or silk fabric with pen and block printing also using natural dyes. So basically it's done, Kalamkari done on cotton cloth or silk cloth. But today we are going to make this painting on white sheet. So we will do this painting with pen. Okay, Kalamkari art. So are you ready to do this art? Okay. For this art, we require one drawing sheet, pencil, eraser and pen. Here we are going to use black pen. In modern artists are using colorful pen also. So if you want to use, you can use colorful pen. Here we will use black pen. Brush pen we will use in this painting. You can use CD marker also, thin marker, one poster color. You can use watercolor and brush. That's it. Keep these all things aside and get ready with your stuff. First, we have to draw one drawing to do Kalamkari art. Here, drawing is done. I have done peacock here. You can see. First, we will outline this drawing with black pen. Do outline nicely. For outline, you can use CD marker also. Here we will draw patterns. Outline is done. Now first we have to do background color. I am doing here yellow color. Do light color in background. I am using here poster color, poster yellow color for background. You can use any light color. Color in one direction only. Now background coloring is also done. Let it be dry for some time. Now do it dark. Outline. First do outline dark. Outline is done. Now we will draw patterns. We have to draw fine patterns, thin patterns. You can use any pattern in this art. You can use geometric pattern also. Here I am using dotted pattern, line pattern, Only remember, we have to do fine art, fine work, means thin work. So it will look beautiful. For your painting, you can take help for patterns from here. You can make any pattern. These same patterns you can use in different drawing also, another drawing also. You can use these patterns in elephant or any drawing. Because we are using pen, so it's taking time, but it will look beautiful. If you want to repeat, you can repeat these patterns. Here I am using line patterns, slant line, horizontal line and vertical line, and dotted also. I am repeating patterns. Zigzag patterns, 3 curved line patterns, like this. Same pattern I will fill in this 3 curved line pattern. Now patterns are done. Beak we will do dark, and if you want to do any pattern dark, you can do like this. Without coloring also, this is complete. This painting is complete. Modern artists are filling colors, so we will use brush pen to fill colors. Use light colors. Don't use dark color. So our patterns will be visible. I am using here light colors. Color in single coat only. Without coloring also this is complete, but after coloring it will look more beautiful. Here also we will fill different colors, different light colors. You can see patterns are visible. Now our painting is done. Now our kalamkari art is done. It's looking beautiful. I hope you like this art and you will try this. This kalamkari art, please try this. Okay. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe and keep learning.